Life, like any trail you take, is never perfect. It's a bumpy road.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Here we are, early morning. Dew on every tent. A short day today, I think.
It took just under 2 days to get home. It started with a road walk after the campsite staff couldn't really offer any support.
This is interesting name for the first village I come to. Just look at that water coming down.
I then caught a hitch from a lovely lorry driver to a town he thought had buses. He was on a route elsewhere, but he dropped me off. He was really kind.
A thrilling 10-minute drive with this guy. Gone a very long way.
I then took a taxi when we found out the buses weren't actually running that day from a great guy with assistance from 3 young workers from a local Club Med hotel who rang multiple taxi companies and worked out how to get me to my next destination.
So that speedy route by the truck driver, it was the first vehicle that passed me. It's got me into Samoan. So just go and see if there's a bus station here. Catching the bus to Clues.
It was then a bus replacement service for the first part of my train journey to Paris.
The first bit of a trip is to catch a bus.
And then a second train, a TGV, into Paris.
Finished with the bus journey. Now the first of 2 trains. This one takes me into Lyon. I'm trying to work out what's going on with these clocks.
I stayed overnight close to Gare de Lyon.
Leave no trace. Leave no trace.
On the second day, I had a good zigzag walk sightseeing to get to the Paris Nord to catch a third train, a Eurostar, to St Pancras.
Electronic locks.
There weren't many options about how many trains I could take. That train was delayed, so I missed my intended connection into Cambridge. My fourth and final train to Cambridge cancelled many interim stops due to being a late running train, and I finally arrived in Cambridge.
Reaching London.
I then had a car journey home. Life, like any trail you take, is never perfect. It's a bumpy road. I'm home, I'm okay, life events happen, we move on.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.